Hello and welcome back. Yesterday I talked about how Nvidia can reach a target of 930, and from yesterday's price trading action in Nvidia, it rose to about 926 and is very near the target. So what's next for Nvidia? Without further ado, let us take a look at the daily chart of Nvidia again. I'll post a link to the video I made yesterday about Nvidia. So as you can see, yesterday we have a very nice bullish move, green bar, and I mentioned about the target 930. How did I get it? I used the measured move here from this swing low here up to this swing high. This move, and I project it upwards from here. Measured move, you can Google and read about measured move in your free time, and I came up with this target about 930, and the closing was at 926.69, which is extremely very near. Sometimes if you have a stock that is very big, very expensive, like 900 over, just a few dollars shy is not an issue, because a price target is just a target. Sometimes it can overshoot it, sometimes it can be a few dollars short, and that's okay. So now what happens is, when there is a target that is almost reached, we want to be careful, because there might be a correction coming. Well, we are not sure. It might just continue to go up, but once a target is met, you have to be very careful to think about the possibility of a correction. Now, a correction might be something like this here, where it rise and then correct very gently sideways. And if Nvidia has a correction sideways or a slight drop, this provides another trading opportunity for traders. For example, here there's a nice correction. If you go to the hourly chart, well, again, my internet connection is quite slow, so let's wait for it a bit. Okay, here we are. There's the slight correction here, and it gives a trading opportunity for traders. Okay, you can buy here, put a stop loss, and ride it higher. So the target is about here, 930, maybe 931, maybe even 932. Okay, and there might be a correction just like here, or it might just continue to move upwards. Now, in this kind of environment, it is useful for us to use a trend following tool. I don't know what kind of trend following tool you'll be using, but for me and those who read and watch my analysis, you know that I like to use the 20 MA, the 50 MA, and the 200 MA in all time frames. So this is the hourly chart here, 1 hour, and there's no use for us thinking how high the stock can go, or once it reaches target it's going to correct, because you are just assuming. Okay, it's best to follow the trend. So as long as the stock price is above this rising 20 MA, you want to be bullish buyers. So if it gaps up again tomorrow and move higher, right, you want to stay bullish until it goes below the 20 MA. And then you only start to get really worried about a serious correction if Nvidia drops below its 60-minute 50 MA, just like here. Okay, but this was an earnings, and with the 60-minute 20 MA and 50 MA making railroad tracks, you can see like it's a railroad track, right? You want to continue to stay bullish buyers. Okay, you might zoom into the 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart to do your day trading. So maybe we can look at a 15-minute. Okay, yeah, it rose very well. You know, sometimes some of these stocks can give you a very good day trading opportunity, especially it gaps up high above all the resistance over here. This was the previous day trading range. Okay, the 15-minute trend was very strong. We have a bullish cross here again, rising 20 MA, rising 50 MA, and this provided a nice move up. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, I'm sure there are many tradable patterns. If, for example, this is a 5-minute kind of bottoming tail, another bottoming tail, a setup, some traders might buy, all right, at the open, right, and as long as it stays above the 5-minute 20 MA, you want to stay bullish, and maybe here a slight breakout. You know, I'm not an expert in day trading. I am not very good at day trading. I like to look at things from a daily point of view, 60-minute point of view. But anyway, what I do is I look at the 5-minute 20 MA. If this stock is above the 20 MA, then it's tradable in the long side. Okay, so this stock has given many trading opportunities, whether in the daily 60-minute chart or even the 5-minute or 15-minute chart. Now, from a daily perspective, okay, the stock is moving quite far away from the 20 MA, and sometimes when it does so, it needs to correct, or at least trade sideways for it to have a breather to meet the 20 MA. Just like here, it went up quite a little bit far away from the 20 MA, and hence it corrected. Okay, so that is something for you to keep in mind. So let's look at the very big picture. Okay, this is the monthly chart of Nvidia. You can see that it went up, make kind of rounded bottom and move up, and maybe we can call this a monthly flag. Okay, monthly bullish flag. Now what you can do is you want to take a measured move from the lows here to the highs here, and you can clone it, okay, and project it upwards from the lows here to get the target, and the target about 795 actually has been met in the monthly chart. So what you want to do is rely more on the 60-minute chart right now, okay, to gauge where the stock is likely to go. So I hope this analysis has been helpful. Continue to stay bullish on Nvidia in the short term, unless it drops below the 60-minute 20 MA and 50 MA. And if you like this analysis, you find it helpful, please give my video a like and subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this. And I'll see you in the next one.